Uno's like a bad penny. It always turns up. Family game nights, vacations, youth hostels, Antarctic scientific outposts. You can't escape it, so you should probably know how to play it. Let's go. Uno is a shedding style card game, meaning that the object is to be the first player to get rid of all their cards. What you'll need, Uno's played with an Uno deck, so that's what you'll need. But that's it. The deck has 108 cards. They're colored red, blue, green, and yellow, with 25 of each. They're numbered 0 through 9 and contain reverse, skip, and draw 2 cards. There are 8 wild cards, 4 of which have draw 4 cards on them. Uno has been around for decades, so the artwork and design has evolved over the years. Uno can be played with 2 to 10 players, although 4 or more is recommended for best gameplay. Setup. Shuffle the deck and deal 7 cards to each player. Place the remaining cards face down to form a draw pile. Flip the top card from the draw pile to start the discard pile. Gameplay. Play begins clockwise with the player to the left of the dealer going first. They must play a card that matches the color, number, or symbol of the top card on the discard pile. If the player doesn't have a matching card, they must draw a card from the draw pile. If the draw card can be played, play it immediately. Otherwise, their turn ends. Wait, what? I've always played that you can take as many cards as you want. Well, that's not the official rule, so sorry. That said, you can play how you like. Just make sure everyone's in agreement. Besides the numbered cards, there are special action cards that have unique effects. For example, a skip card skips the next player's turn. A reverse card reverses the direction of play. A draw 2 card forces the next player to draw 2 cards and skip their turn. A played wild card allows the player to choose to change the color of play cards.
Yellow.
There's also a wild draw 4 card, allowing a player to change the color and forcing the next player to draw 4 cards instead of taking their turn. When a player only has 1 card left, they must say Uno as they place their second to last card down. If another player calls Uno before that player, the Uno player must draw 2 additional cards and end their turn. Some people play that they must instead draw 4 cards. You do you. The game continues until one player gets rid of all of their cards. That player is declared the winner of the round. Good job. Okay. Only 1 draw card on your turn? I think that's a bit too strict too. But you know what? If there's no limit on the cards you can pick up, you're gonna get that one player who just keeps drawing card after card after card, so they get all the wild draw 4 cards, all the draw 2s, all the reverses and skips, and then the game will never end. I suggest a draw cap of 4 cards, rather than giving 1 or unlimited. Give it a shot and let me know what you think in the comments. Uno gets really good when you and your crew come up with your own side rules, trust me. Check out my other video on Uno side rules for some of my faves. Did you like this video? Please comment, like, and subscribe for more. Now get out there and play some games.